Anyways, let it go. Anyways, let it go. Look around. Look around. Don't talk nonsense. Don't talk nonsense. Have you eaten? Have you eaten? Get ready. Get ready. What next? What next? Hurry up. Hurry up. Got it. Got it. How is your sister now? How is your sister now? Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go? Let's meet. Let's meet. Am I clear? Am I clear? You are a number cheater. You are a number cheater. Wait 2 minutes for me. Wait 2 minutes for me. Wait for him. Wait for him. Are you in a hurry? Are you in a hurry? He will leave in half an hour. He will leave in half an hour. I thought he said something else. I thought he said something else. Take the decision. Take the decision. When can I have it? When can I have it? Try to understand me. Try to understand me. I would like to make a call. I would like to make a call. What has he eaten? What has he eaten? How to go? How to go? The apples are ripe. The apples are ripe. Have a good trip. Have a good trip. What did you eat? What did you eat? How dare you? How dare you? He works in a bank. He works in a bank. Where is she? Where is she? This is my friend. This is my friend. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. Do you know? Do you know? I am going to leave. I am going to leave. I am leaving. I am leaving. Can you find it? Can you find it? He has made my life difficult. He has made my life difficult. I would like to rent a taxi. I would like to rent a taxi. That means friend. That means friend. Where are you from? Where are you from? You may go. You may go. From time to time. From time to time. Do you understand? Do you understand? Clean up. Clean up. Now or never. Now or never. The chair is in front of the table. The chair is in front of the table. When did you arrive in Mumbai? When did you arrive in Mumbai? I wish I could. I wish I could. Can't think what to say. Can't think what to say. I like her. I like her. I like the girl. I like the girl. Cut down on tea. Cut down on tea. I don't care. I don't care. Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone? In the meantime. In the meantime. Open the cover. Open the cover. Listen to me. Listen to me. I can't express how sorry I am. I can't express how sorry I am. Get lost from here. Get lost from here. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Set the table. Set the table. Is that true? Is that true? It is my car. It is my car. You became fat. You became fat. No smoking. No smoking. The big one or the small one? The big one or the small one? Do you want to talk about it? Do you want to talk about it? I am free on Sunday. I am free on Sunday. Keep searching. Keep searching. Clean your nose. Clean your nose. Come in. Come in. It's different. It's different. They are worried about you. They are worried about you. Where are the books? Where are the books? I am very happy right now. I am very happy right now. Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? Come on, you are getting late. Come on, you are getting late. Will you come again? Will you come again? I am quite all right. I am quite all right. No, never. No, never. How you got late? How you got late? Sounds great. Sounds great. How do you go to the office? How do you go to the office? Where did you learn English? This is my friend. This is my friend. This is for you. This is for you. I work in a hotel. I work in a hotel. See you tonight. See you tonight. She knows. She knows. What to know? What to know? He cancelled his trip to France. He cancelled his trip to France. Take bath. Take bath. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. What will you use it for? What will you use it for? Keep in touch. Keep in touch. Do your work on your own. Do your work on your own. I forgot. I forgot. Got it. Got it. On the first floor. On the first floor. Don't talk like that. Don't talk like that. I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.